I gotta drink some first.
Burping Contest, and I love this song. I love it.
I was early, but it's okay.
Yeah, no, I haven't.
Oh, ready?
That was like 2, I swear.
I don't even think you could hear that.
Wait.
Do you want to join us? We're having a burping.
It's not working. Ew, I tasted that. It's not working.
My turn. Here we go.
How do you do it?
I don't know.
Shake it.
Dog.
I know, it's horrible. If that had been on tape, you probably would have been at least second. What happens to like all my good ones? They're like always there when I don't want them to be.
Okay, should you make sure the sound works?
No, she like that.
That's how into it you get, like.
I love Metro Station.
That's cheap! Ha!
That's
In your
cheap.
face!
Oh, I forgot this was still going.